Welcome to the how-to video, taking measurements with the Sonosite MT. On the system, most measurements are performed with calipers. While scanning, freeze the image and tap the caliper control. Several basic measurements are available, including distance, ellipse, and trace. Let's perform a distance measurement. Drag the active caliper on the monitor touchscreen to the start of your measurement. Tap and drag the other caliper to the desired end point. After saving the measurement, you will see the measurement appear in the results section of the touch panel and the monitor touchscreen. To change a measurement, tap the measurement in the results section on the touch panel. Then select the caliper you want to move by tapping it on the touch monitor, then drag to move it to the desired location. You can also delete the measurement if you wish. To measure circumference and surface area, tap the ellipse measurement. Position the first caliper by dragging it with your finger on the monitor touchscreen. Then tap and drag the other calipers on the touch monitor to change the size and shape of the ellipse. If you would like to define your own shape, use the trace caliper. Use the monitor touchscreen to position the caliper to the start of the trace. Let go of the caliper, then touch and drag on the image to trace the area you need. Basic measurements appear on screen only and are not in a specific report page. Because of this, we recommend that you save the image with the measurements before ending the study. You can also save a measurement to a calculation or patient report. While measuring, tap the Calcs control. Select a calculation package, then the measurement you want. You may need to navigate multiple menus to find the desired measurement. Position the calipers on the touch monitor. Press the Save key to save the image with the calc to the patient report. Here are some tips that may help you make precise measurements using your system. 1. Make sure the area of interest fills as much of the screen as possible by minimizing the depth. 2. Use the zoom tool to magnify the image. 3. Use the outer edge of the halo around the caliper to adjust the position for precise placement. Now it's time for you to explore on your own. Watch the how-to videos on the Sonosite Institute or refer to the system user guidelines for more information.